Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find and how to use the eraser in the AirBrush application. Now the first thing you need to do is enter the app, and once you have done that and you are in the home page, all you have to do is select the picture from your gallery. Now I am already in the album where I want to select the picture from, so all I have to do is just press on the picture. And after doing so, you will see down below that you have a few options to press on, and you should press in this case the third option, which is Tools. And you can see here a little bit above the third option, which is the eraser. Now this is a premium function, but if you pay for it, you can basically use it. And you can choose between the AI eraser or the classic eraser, and the use of the eraser is quite simple. All you have to do is just press on the screen and you can see the parts where the eraser deletes. So you just have to move it with your finger, and depending where you move it, that part will be deleted. And once you're done with the deletion process, all you have to do is just press the OK symbol at the bottom of your right corner, and the picture will be saved. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.